Top 3 UK immigration changes, effective from 31st January 2024. In today's UK immigration video update, we'll be talking about the upcoming changes to visitor rules, permitted paid engagements, and youth mobility scheme coming into effect from 31st January 2024. Please keep in mind that the UK government ended 2023 by announcing further immigration changes coming into effect from 31st January 2024, including changes to the visitor rules and an expansion of the youth mobility scheme. Before we continue, let's tell you about the newly launched feature on our website. Now, you can get in touch with expert immigration advisors in just a few clicks. To avoid visa refusals, visit our website now by clicking the links in the description box and pinned comment below. Let's resume and tell you about the changes to the visitor rules. Please keep in mind that visitors travelling to the United Kingdom are permitted to take on specific activities which are set out in the visitor rules. From 31st January 2024, the visitor rules will be changed to incorporate the following changes. Intra-corporate activity. Individuals working abroad and who visit a group business in the UK will be able to carry out work directly with clients, on condition that the client-facing activity is related to the visitor's overseas employment. This cannot amount to the offshoring of a project or service to their employer abroad. Remote working. The law has been modernised for transparency to affirm that visitors can work remotely while in the UK. On the other hand, this must not be the main purpose of their visit. Research and legal services. There will be an expansion of the permitted activities for scientists, researchers, and academics who will be permitted to carry out research in the UK as a visitor if it relates to a specific project directly regarding their employment abroad. There will also be a development of the activities allowed for those in permissible occupations. This will permit specific lawful services to be carried out, including advocacy, providing arbitration services, litigation, or transactional legal services, such as drafting contract. Another change from 31st January will be in the permitted paid engagements. The list of permitted paid engagements will be modified to permit speakers at conferences to be paid for this activity. The route is also being absorbed into the standard visitor route, which means that a specific permitted paid engagement visa will no longer be obligated. Individuals are still obligated to arrange their engagement before entry and complete it within 30 days of their arrival in the UK. Last but not the least, expansion of the youth mobility scheme. The Youth Mobility Scheme is available for young individuals of specific nationalities to live and work in the UK for up to 2 or 3 years. This route does not obligate sponsorship from an employer. Please note that from 31st January 2024, the Youth Mobility Scheme will be expanded. Nationals of Uruguay will now be able to apply. Furthermore, the eligible applicant age range for Australian, Canadian, and South Korean nationals will be increased from 18 years to 30 to 18 to 35 years. Canadian and Australian citizens will also be able to extend the visa by up to 1 year, permitting them to stay in the UK for up to 3 years. This comes after preceding publications for similar modifications that were implemented for New Zealand nationals. Another good news is that the number of available visas for nationals of South Korea and Japan will also be increased. Further, the obligation to obtain an invitation to apply for South Korean and Japanese citizens is being eliminated. Looking ahead, employers should make sure that visitors to their UK organisation are only undertaking permitted activities during their trips. Employers may wish to consider upcoming business travel requirements and planned activities in the UK. Classifying business requirements and the appropriate visa will allow for visa applications to be made in a timely manner to fulfill business requirements. Our video ends here. Do let us know in the comments section if you found this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching today's video update.